Yes, good evening everyone. Please turn on your video. Fine. So now almost the measures of central tendency, the chapter name for you in ICSE 10th ICSE, that is measures of central tendency. We have almost covered everything. There are small part is balance. The one is quartile, the lower quartile, upper quartile, and that part, and the other one is finding mode using histogram. Okay, the only these two parts are balance. So we'll be taking questions based on that. Just a moment. Now see, if you see to this exercise which you have in your concise Selena book, okay, so this type of questions are different which you have, that is also the similar actually. A student got the following marks in 9 questions of a question paper. Find the median of this marks. Now this is an ungrouped data, this is not even a grouped data, so how do you find the median in this case? Anyone?
Arranging them in ascending order.
Yes, arranging them in an ascending order. Yeah, one more thing, if your video is off I will have to remove the students. Okay, fine. Now, what you have in this, a student got the following marks in 9 questions of a question paper. So you need to find what is the median in this case. So in such type of questions, what you have to do? Fine, fine, but I'm not sure about that. So we'll be taking them. So what you have to do, you just have to arrange them in the ascending or descending order. So as you can see, this the smallest reading is 0. So cancel it, write 0. Then the next reading is 1. So you cancel it, write 1. Then the next reading which you have is 3, that is written twice. So write 3 twice. Then you have 4, write 4. Then 5, write 5. Then 6, and then 8. Fine. So first you have to arrange them, arranging the observations in the ascending or descending order. You have to first arrange them. Once you have arranged, so how many readings you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 observations. Since you have n is equals to how much? 8. Yeah, wait, let me see it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 observation you have. So which one will be the median? Since n is odd, what we can say, since n is odd, so your median will be what? N by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation.
So n is even,
Yeah,
as in
sorry,
the
n is
line
even. So yeah,
above
yeah,
it.
sorry, n is even. Yeah. So for even only I'm writing. This is for even only. Yeah. It is for even only. So if n is even, then n by 2th observation by plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So that is 8 by 2th observation. That is 4th observation. What we'll do? 4th observation plus 5th observation divided by 2. What is the 4th observation? The 4th observation is 3 and the 5th observation is 4. So what you can do? That is 3 plus 4. Wait, 3 and 4. Yeah. 3 plus 4 divided by 2. So answer is 3.5. So this is what your median is. Fine. So if they have given you a ungrouped data, you have to solve in this manner. Okay. Similarly is this. We have solved this one. The same type of question it is. They have given in decimals and all, so you have to arrange them precisely by seeing to it what number will come first and then what will come next. The marks obtained by 19 students again the same, but over here they need median, lower quartile, upper quartile, and interquartile range. Fine. So if you want to solve this question, yeah, again first you have to arrange them in the ascending order. Yeah. So which one is the smallest value? The smallest value you have is
22.
yeah,
22.
tw 22. Where is 22?
That's third.
Yeah, 22. The smallest value which you have is 22. So you can cancel this. The next value which you have is 23. You don't have it. 24 you have it. So you can cancel 24. 25 you have it once. Do you have one more time? No, you don't have it. Then 26, search for 26. Yeah, you have it. So 26 written once. Then is there any one other 26? Yeah, one more. 26. Then 27 also you can take. 27 over here also. Then 27, any more 27? No. Then 28 you can take. 28 from here. Yeah, you can take this also. Then 28, no more 28. Okay. 29 you can take. Then any more 29? No. After that 30, it's not there. 31, it's there. 31. Okay, 31, and is there any other 31? No. 32 you can take. One more 32 is there. Yeah, it is there. Take this. Then 33 is this. Is there any other 33? No. 34, not there. 35, it's there. Yeah. 35, anyone 35? Yeah, one more 35. That's it. 36 once, twice. That's it. Then there is 37 only once. You see to it, is there any number left in this? No, none of the number have been left. You can also count how many numbers you have over here and how many numbers you have written over here, so that there should be no mistake. So how many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You have 19 readings over here also, right? Now since over here what you have, n equals 19. Now since n is odd, so what will be your median? Your median will be n plus 1 by tooth observation. That's it. Yeah. So your median will be 19 plus 1 by tooth observation. That is 20 by 2, that is 10th observation. So you just see to it which is your 10th observation from the given data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is your 10th observation. So your median is 29. Is that clear? Yeah. The 10th observation will be your median, and that is your 29. That's what your median is, right? Next is lower quartile. Now you need is lower quartile. Your lower quartile will be written as Q1, okay, and that will be, since n is odd this time, so it will be n plus 1 by 4th observation. Yeah, so n is 19 plus 1 by 4th observation. That is 20 by 4. 20 by 4 is 5th observation. Yeah, so take the 5th observation from here. The 5th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 26. So your lower quartile is 26. Clear? That is the 5th term or the 5th observation. The next is upper quartile. Okay, upper quartile is written by Q3. In the last class, I have said it as Q2. That was by mistake. It should be written as Q3. Okay, in the last class, I have said it as Q2. You have to write the upper quartile as Q3. So your Q3 will be what? 3 upon 4 n plus 1th observation. Yeah. So this will be 3 into n is 19 plus 1 by 4th observation. That is 20 by 4, 5. 3 5s are 15. So then that means you need to find what is the 15th observation. So your 15th observation, this is the 19th observation. This will be 18th. This will be 17th. This will be 16th. And this will be 15th. Yeah. So your 15th observation is 35. Is that clear? So this is what your lower quartile, upper quartile, and the next is interquartile range. They have also asked you to find the interquartile range. The interquartile range will be interquartile range, that is given by Q3 minus Q1, that gives you Q3 is 35 and Q1 is 26, right? So 15 minus 6, that is how much? 9. So your interquartile range is 9. That's it. Done with the sum. Fine. Clear to everyone?
Sir,
Yeah,
I have a doubt regarding the portion which you were teaching us with the CBSE class.
yeah, you can ask.
Sir, those formulas which you told us, like for example, for finding the median, like L plus N upon 2
Yeah,
minus CF
yeah.
upon F, those
Yeah,
formulas, actually they are not in my textbook in RS Agarwal. Is it there in Selena?
it is there in Salina.
So should I have to practice it?
Yeah, it is there in Salina. It is there in
Oh,
Salina.
okay.
Yeah, in the Salina book it
Okay.
is there. And I've also told you the mode formula as per
Yeah, that
CBSE.
one also. That is also not there in my textbook. That is why
That is
I
not
wanted
there
to
in
clarify.
RS Agarwal as well as in Salina. The formula method which I have told you to find mode, that method is not there in ICSE. But that method is
Oh,
there in, sorry,
CBS.
yeah, that method is there in CBSE, but not in ICSE. In ICSE, you have a
Yeah.
method of using the histogram that I'll be teaching you now. To find mode, you have to do it by histogram. So in your book,
So, sir,
yeah,
sir, it is fine if I don't do that method and use the normal one
yeah, no problem.
for practice.
Yeah, you can use.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, welcome. Now the next thing which we have is now we are done with this median, lower quartile, upper quartile, and interquartile range. Okay. Same thing over here from the following data: median, upper quartile, interquartile range. I hope you can do it. Try doing this sum in your homework. Okay. Next, the age of students are given. Find the median. This type of sums we have already done from the CBSE books. Okay. It is the same kind of question. Now the another type of question. The another type is just by finding the lower quartile, upper quartile. Now see, there are many questions in the textbook. Even if you practice one or two, that is sufficient in measures of central tendency. Yeah, again, see, 60 boys are there. Find median, lower quartile, upper quartile, and interquartile range. I have already told you how to find it. Yeah, the only thing the difference is if the value of n is even, if the value of n is odd, only that part is different. Otherwise, everything is same. Yeah, same. Lower quartile, upper quartile, same. All the questions. You have to use Ogive curve. Already taught to you. Yeah, you have to make a cumulative frequency, make a table of cumulative frequency, draw the graph, and then plot what is median, what is lower quartile, and what is upper quartile. Clear? Yeah. They are saying over here quartile marks. Quartile marks means also the same. The lower quartile, upper quartile, and interquartile range. Okay. Quartile marks means also the same thing. That is upper quartile, lower quartile, and the interquartile range. Now the next thing which you have is, yeah, in the mode you have a different type now. We'll be teaching you that, and then we'll be starting with circles. And circles topic is different for CBSE and ICSE, so it will be taught to you in a separately for ICSE students. Yeah. Now in this question, find the mode of the following data. So if this was the question, what will be the mode of this data?
7.
Why 7?
It has the it is reoccurred most number
Yeah,
of
most
times.
recurring number, most recurring observation, that will be the mode, right? So if it's an ungrouped data, right? That's why what we can say, most recurring observation will be said as the mode. Okay, the following table shows the frequency distribution of height of 50 boys. Find the mode of the height. Now in this case, now in the CBSE we have done using this the same type of question using a formula, but in the Salina book you have with a histogram. Okay, yeah. Oh wait, it's not a grouped data. Means this 120, 121, 122, 120. It's not like 120 to 124, 124 to 150 like that. It is not there, no. So you can directly write the mode. The mode is the one which has the highest frequency. So which is the highest frequency? This. The mode is 122. That's it. Got it? The mode will be, in this case, it will be 122. So when you have the questions like this, yeah. The following table shows the expenditure of 60 boys on a book. Find the mode of their expenditure. Since now over here they have given with ranges, right? There is a class interval 20 to 25, 25 to 50, and like that. So in that case, you have to make a histogram. Okay, now how to make that histogram? See over here. Now this is that data. First, what you will do, you'll directly make the histogram using a graph. I'll take a graph, just a moment. Now see to it, how do we make the graph of this? Yeah. So what you have to do first, you have to draw the x and y axis. Yeah. So what we will do, we'll make the x and y axis over here. Fine. Yeah, drawn. Now what you have? 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and so on. Yeah. So since it's starting from 20 to 25, so what you will do? You will write over here 20 to 25. Then 25 to 30 will write over here. 30 to 35 will write over here. 35 to 40 over here. 40 to 45 over here. And then 45 to 50 over here. And 50 to, yeah, up to 50 only it is. Right? Number of students, as you can see, 4, 5, and it is going up to 23 only. So we'll write 5, 10, 15, 20, and 23. That's it. Sorry, 25. Yeah. So we'll take the lines. Now where your hands have been raised, you can keep your hands raised down. Okay. Now over here from 20 to 25 it is 4. So take the 4. Yeah, like this I'll make the lines. The 4 will come over here. This is drawn. Next 25 to 30 it is 7. So the 7 will come over here. We'll make thick lines. Wait. First it is 4. After that it is 7. Yeah. After that it is 23. So 23 will come somewhere over here. Fine. After that it is 18. From 35 to 40 it is 18. So we'll draw it over here. 18 will be 15 and 18 in between both of them. And then this is 6. So 6 will come over here. And then it is 2. Now, when do we get a mode? The one with which has the highest frequency, that is what your mode is, right? So we know that from 30 to 35 the mode will be there. Now to find the mode, what we have to do, you have to make a cross lines like this. Means take this point. This is with the highest frequency, right? This bar. So take this point and touch it over here, and take this point and touch it over here. Understood? Yeah. And after that, whatever reading you will get over here, from this point, whatever reading you are getting over here, so this point will be your mode. Are you getting it? Yeah. The point of intersection which you have, if you drop a line on the base, the point on the x-axis which you have, that will be your mode. So what is your mode over here? So your mode is, this will be 32.5, you can see 33. That's it. Easy method of finding mode, but it takes a time. That is, you have to draw the graph and all, everything is there. Otherwise, to find mode, in the CBSE we used a formula to find mode. Got it? How to do it? Yeah, everyone over here understood? That's it. So this is the only part which is different in ICSE to find mode. Yeah. Now the next thing. So this all are almost the same. You have to find the mode, median and all. Let me see if you have any other no. That's it. So these are the only type of questions which are there, and over here we are done with the measures of central tendency. Okay, so over here we'll be starting with a new topic. So which topic you want to start? The next topic? Yeah, measures of central tendency have been completed. So which topic if you have any topic, you tell me. Otherwise, I'll take any random topic from my side. Yeah. So which topic you want to start, everyone? One of the topic which I got in the chat box in the last session was circles. So if anyone has any other topic, so please tell me. I'll go with the majority. Which topic you want to start? If any topic has been started in your school or you want to learn that you have a test or something like that, if you have it, then tell me. Otherwise, I'll take. Okay, I got a request on the chat box that is to start circles. So I'm starting with circles only. Okay, fine. Let's start with circles. Yeah, so the basic thing I've already taught you in the last session, right? What is secant, tangent, and everything I've already taught you, right? Now, just a moment, let me open the textbook. Some more thing which I have not taught you about the basic thing. What is concentric circles? What is concentric circles? Anyone? If anyone
Circles
know,
that share the same center.
yeah, there are means set of circles will be there, but they all the circles will have a same center. That means, see, if this is a circle, and suppose if this is the center of the circle, okay, and you have one more circle like this, okay, both the circles have same center. Yeah, if both the circles have same center, then what we will say, the two circles are concentric. You can make number of concentric circles for a single point. Yeah, so they will be said as concentric circles. The next is, what is circumscribed circle? Yeah, the next is, what is circumscribed circle? Circumscribed circle. Suppose if you have a circle and there is a quadrilateral or any polygon inscribed in it. Means if this is a circle and if you have any polygon inside it, means suppose the polygon is triangle inside it, then what we will say, this circle is circumscribing the triangle. What it is doing? The 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 circle is circumscribing the triangle. It can be like this also, means even if you have draw the circle over here, okay, and if you have a quadrilateral inside or any pentagon or anything inside, okay, even if you have a quadrilateral inside like this, then also what we will say, it will be the circle is circumscribing the quadrilateral. Okay, now what is inscribed circle? See over here in the circumscribed circle, what is happening? The circle is touching all the vertices of the polygon. It is touching all the vertices of the polygon. Over here also, it is touching all the vertices of this polygon, right? So in the inscribed circle, the circle will touch all the sides of the polygon. Over here, it is touching all the vertices of the polygon, and when it is an inscribed circle, it will be like this. Suppose we'll draw the circle first. This will be said as what? The inscribed circle, where the circle is touching all the sides of the polygon. Understood? There can be a quadrilateral also, it can be a hexagon, it can be a pentagon or anything. It can be. Then we will say it is a inscribed circle. We'll show you one more example of inscribed circle with the quadrilateral. Okay, the quadrilateral will be like this. Got it? This is also an inscribed circle in a quadrilateral, where the circle is touching all the sides of the quadrilateral. Clear what is inscribed circle and what is circumscribed circle? Yeah? Okay. Now the next thing which you have is wait. Yeah, means you have studied this in your class 9th. That is any chord bisecting means any line bisecting the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Yeah. You have studied this in your class ninth. That is, if you have a circle, yeah, and suppose if this is the center, and if this is the chord, this is the chord, okay, and if I draw a line which is perpendicular to this chord, then it bisects the chord. We know that if I draw a perpendicular, then it bisects the chord. Yeah, you have studied this in your class ninth. Yes or no? Okay. Yeah, this statement also you have done in your class ninth only. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Can anyone explain me what is this? Daksh, can you tell me what is the meaning of this?
Sir, the chords which have the equal length and are opposite from each other.
Mm-hmm.
Like one chord is above the center, or and the other chord is below the center.
Okay,
If the
then
length is same, then it is at the equal length from the center. Like
exactly,
the
got it.
chord is
Got it.
chord is 5 cm.
Yeah, yeah, got it. If the length of chords are equal, then the distance of that chord from the center of the circle will be equal. Yeah, this also means all these derivations you have done in your class ninth. I have told you what is arc, what is minor arc. Okay. Now the theorem you have in your class 10th is this. The first theorem is this. The angle which an arc of a circle subtends at the center is double that which it subtends at any point on the remaining part of the circumference. Now we'll solve it. Wait, we'll have to. Yeah. What they are saying, the angle which an arc, suppose if this is that arc, the angle which an arc AB subtends at the center is double that which it subtends at any point on the remaining part of the circle. That means what? If this is whatever angle it subtends over here, this will be double of what it subtends at this point. Means if this is x, then this will be 2x. That's what you need to prove. Did you understood what we need to prove? Yeah? Do you know how to prove? No. Fine. Okay. What we need to prove, let's say, given. What is given? Given is AB is arc to the AB is arc. O is the center of the circle. That's what is given. Center of circle. And the next thing is AB is an arc. Okay. So what you need to prove? If this is C, you need to prove is angle AOB is twice of angle ACB. Fine. This is what you need to prove. Now let's write the proof. First write draw OC. Okay, let's join OC. Yeah. Now draw OC I have written, right? Now we need to prove that angle AOB is twice of angle ACB. Fine. Now let's take this diagram down. See over here. In triangle AOC. In triangle AOC. What all things I know? Can I say AO is equals to OC? Yes or no? Why? What is the reason?
Both are radius.
Both are radius. Radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Yeah. Since both are equal, then can I say angle ACO will be equal to angle OAC? Yes or no? Isosceles triangle property. If the two opposite sides are equal, then the opposite angles are also equal. What would be the reason? Isosceles triangle property. Yeah, these two angles will be equal. Also, if I extend this line, if I extend this line, okay, like this, and we'll write, wait, we'll extend it up over here, up to here. Yeah, let's say this is A, B, C, and let's say this as D. Okay, yeah, angle AOD will be equal to what? It's an exterior angle for triangle AOC. Yes or no? For triangle AOC, angle AOD will be exterior angle. So can I say angle AOD will be equal to angle CAO plus angle ACO? Yes or no? What is the reason? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the interior, is equal to the sum of the interior angles, the other two interior angles. Yes or no? I hope you are aware. Means if this is triangle and if I want to know what is this angle will be equal to sum of these two. You are aware about this or not? Know it, no? Okay. So angle AOD. Why? Because what would be the reason? The reason over here is exterior angle of triangle AOC, right? But what I know, CAO and ACO both are equal. CAO and ACO both are equal. So can I write over here this instead of CAO, can I write angle ACO plus angle ACO? Because both are equal. If I write this as 1, so from 1 I can write over here. From 1. So this will be twice of angle ACO. What did we get ultimately? That is angle AOD. What did we get? Angle AOD. This angle AOD, this angle AOD is twice of angle ACO. Yes or no? Similarly, in triangle BOC, what you will get? Angle BCO or sorry, angle BOD will be twice of angle BCO. Yes or no? We can get that similarly. So if this is 3 and this is sorry, if this is 2 and this is 3, so adding 2 and 3, adding 2 and 3, what do you get? This angle plus this angle, that is angle AOD plus angle BOD is equals to twice of angle ACO plus twice of angle BCO. Angle AOD plus angle BOD, AOD plus BOD will be AOB. Yes or no? Yeah. So this will be equal to angle AOB and twice of angle ACO, that is twice of angle ACO plus angle BCO. What is angle ACO plus BCO? ACO plus BCO will be ACB. Yes or no? So that will be equal to twice of angle ACB. That is angle AOB equals. So this is what your proof. And you can write over here, hence proved. Got it? Now what do you get? That means the angle at the center subtended by the arc of a circle will be twice of the angle which it will which it will subtend at any point on the circle. That means I'll give you the even more clear definition of this. See, if you have a circle like this, and if you draw a means if this is the central angle, suppose. Okay, if this is the central angle, and now if you draw this kind of lines, if this is 2x, this will be x for sure. Got it? Similarly, even if I draw any line over here like this, what will be this angle now? How much?
X.
It will also be x. It is the same thing, no? Angle subtended at any point on the circle. At any point on the circle. Yeah? Even if I draw a line over here, all these angles will be same. This angle will also be x. Okay, but not this angle. You cannot say this angle is equals to x. This angle will not be x. Yeah, it should be on the same side of the arc. It should be on the opposite. Understood? All these angles will be equal, and all this will angle will be half of the central angle. Is that clear? Yeah? Okay. The next theorem is angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in same segment of a circle are equal. That means if you draw a circle, and if this is your segment, if this is your segment, okay? Now, if you angles in the same segment of a circle are equal, that means if I draw lines like this, these two angles will be same. This angle and this angle. Yeah, this angle and this angle will be same. Now you need to prove this. Okay, if this is AB and this is CD. Now what you have to prove? To prove is angle ACB is equals to angle ADB. That's what you need to prove. Yeah. Now how we can prove this? This is also very easy. If I say this is my center of the circle, okay, and if I join this, okay, if this is the center of the circle and this it's named as O, what I know, angle AOB equals twice of angle ACB, yes or no? Also, angle AOB is twice of angle ADB. Yeah. So if this is 1 and this is 2, from one end to what I can say? From one end to what I can say? Twice of angle ACB will be equal to twice of angle ADB. That is 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Angle ACB will be equal to angle ADB. That's it. Hence proved. Clear? It's a simple only. If you have proved the last one, then this one is very easy. Yeah. Further, you have some more theorems, but that we will continue in the next class. Yeah. So over here we are done for today. We'll continue this topic in the next class. Okay. Chalo then. Bye bye everyone. Have a good day. Good night. Take care.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.